So here the general trend in the modern periodic table, first come to the groups. Okay, in group what happens in a group means above below. Students, in a group, number of cells and valence electron, how number of cell and valence electron change in a group, that you must know that one cell will increase. Suppose how it will increase, first you just learn from the example. Suppose hydrogen, 1 electron. Okay, hydrogen, lithium, then hydrogen, lithium, sodium. If you think lithium is 3, okay, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, you just remember the atomic number 1, lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19. Okay, then you see hydrogen 1, lithium 2 1, 281, 2881. Okay, that means see 1 cell, 2 cell, 3 cell, 4 cell. So number of cell increase arithmetically, 1 by next group. Okay, then next period, okay, 1 by 1. If you go down one to the another, you can see that arithmetically 1 by 1 cell is increasing. Okay, but valence electron remain equal. Okay, if you check, if you once check, look, you can see 1 electron outside, valence electron. Okay, so in a group, valence electron remains same, but cell will increase arithmetically. Then move to here, also one series has given. Here I explain the group 1, here group 17 has given. You can see number of cell 2 3 4 5, 1 by 1 it is increasing the electronic configuration. Fluorine 27, chlorine 287, bromine 28187. Okay, that on that way. Similarly student, valency remains same. Okay, okay, so valency here you can see lithium, sodium, potassium all 1, outer number of valence electron is 1. So group 2 valence electron will 2, group 3 3. Okay, group 13 valence electron 4, but group 13 valence electron 4, it's not that group 13 means valence electron 13, because learn with the example. Once again I am saying like that, what is the valency, you know, how much it will combine. Suppose I am saying that group 15, how group 15, one group 15 element, you can say that nitrogen. Okay, nitrogen 7 electronic configuration means 2 5. Okay, 2 5 means 5 is 5 valence number of valence electron, but its valency will be 3. Why student? Because you know it need 3 electron to complete its octet. Okay, so it will prefer to accept 3 electron than releasing 5 electron. That's why its valency is 3. So hence group 15 3, 16 2, 17, again it will come 1. 17, why 1? Because here you can see these are the 17 elements, 2 7, so it will take 1 electron, that means it is valency 1. No need to mention any plus or minus. Okay, because here 1 electron will accept, and for metal 1 electron will release. Okay, for group 1 that their valency also 1, and group 17 their valency also 1. Here you can check group 1 elements valency 1 and group 17 also 1, but group 1 element will release 1 electron for the stability, they will form positive ion, but group 17 will accept 1 electron. Okay, so on that way their valency relate. So properties of the elements, similar physical and chemical property change uniformly go down the group. You can see alkali metal are very reactive, degree of reactivity further increase go down the group, reactivity increases, and halogen reactivity decreases. Okay, because their size increase, that's why. uh, so that you must remember. Then the atomic size, if you down the group, of course it will increase, because one cell is increasing. Okay, that's why their atomic size also increase, metallic character increase, move down the group. For example, here you can see nitrogen, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony, bismuth. See, nitrogen, phosphorus non-metal, arsenic, antimony metalloid, and bismuth is metal. So metallic character increases moving down the group. And students, you can remember this thing, non-metal will form the oxide, they are called acidic oxide. metalloids amphoteric, and metal oxides are generally basic oxides. Okay, metal form the oxides generally basic. Why? Because metals are electropositive. Okay, and in senior class you can relate these things with one another. Now you need to memorize. Now next page, here the properties along general trend in modern periodic table. Okay, so here properties for a period. For a period, students, number of cell remains same, but electron one by one is increasing. You just see lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon. See lithium 3, beryllium 4, boron 5, carbon 6. So one electron is increasing, and outer shell is remain constant. Okay, one shell is not increasing, only one valence electron is increasing from left to right, from left to right. Here the example already given, otherwise you can understand. See here it is given. Suppose electronic configuration: sodium, magnesium, aluminum, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. Okay, it has given. So see, sodium 281, magnesium 282, 283, 284, 285. Okay, all are 3 cell. So on moving left to right given period, number of cell remains same. Okay, but electron one by one it is increasing. Okay, number of electron in the valence shell increasing arithmetically left to right. And valency students, you know, from 1 to it will be maximum valency 4 in at carbon, then it will decrease again back to the 1. And why? Because of their combining capacity, you know that. Okay, valency is not the number of valence electron present, valency is the combining capacity of that element with other atom. Okay, what is its combining capacity? How sodium form combine with oxygen, how nitrogen form a compound. See, that's why one compound has given to understand the valency. See, their hydrides has given hydride of their elements. So they are combined with how much hydrogen, that is their valency. You can see lithium combined with 1 hydrogen, so valency 1, beryllium 2, boron 3, carbon 4, nitrogen 3, oxygen 2, fluorine again 1. Okay, so their oxides and hydride formation means when that element will form oxides or hydride, that means it will combine with oxygen or hydrogen. You can understand their valency, because that much valency will be it will combine. Okay, see here for the oxides also. Okay, another one series has given. That is with respect to oxygen, you can see they are so variable valency. So hence here phosphorus valency is 5, sulfur 6, chlorine here showing 7, valency 7. Okay, so with respect to oxygen, valency is increasing 1 to 7. Now size of atom will decrease, because student, as see, as number of electron is increasing, so from inside electron to outside nucleus will attraction is increasing. Nucleus is positively charged, as number of electron increase, electron negatively charged, so attraction will increase. That means from left to right the size will decrease. Okay, as the number of electron increase, hence the attraction between nucleus and the outermost electron increase, so the size of the atom will be decreased from left to right. Okay, similarly here properties of the element, property of the element depend on the number of element outer electron in the outermost orbit. Since in period number of electron in valence shell changes, properties of element in a period differ significantly. Reactivity first decrease up to group 14, then increases. Thus group 1 elements are most reactive metal, while those group 17 most reactive non-metal. Okay, so you just remember this line: reactivity first decrease up to 14, then it will increase up to 14, then it will increase up to 14 means carbon group. Okay, carbon, silicon, that reactivity increase, then it will it will decrease. Okay, means it is the left side higher reactive, right, extreme right, extreme right and extreme left are higher reactive, much more reactive. Middle reactivity little bit decrease. Okay, that's why students, they will form actually covalent compound. Though carbon always form covalent compound because its valency is 4. Why? It's due to its valency and all other some other factors are there that I will explain later, no problem. You just remember this line first. Metallic character moving left to right, you know, metallic character decreasing, non-metallic character increasing, because left side metal and right side are the non-metals. So metals to non-metallic character increasing. So non-metal oxides are the acidic and metal oxides are basic. So acidic character left to right increasing. You just remember, non-metallic character increasing means acidic character increasing. So this is the portion. Next video I will explain about study of specific group. Okay, that also same type. Already you have learned the study of specific group. If you read, you can understand. See students, same occurrence, nature, bonding, their action of acids. Okay, same thing has given and their electronic configuration has given. There is nothing to understand. Only you read and memorize, nothing else. Okay, so that much. In next video I will provide this. Thank you.